If you are like me, I'm very sure you would have been wondering, what's the difference between using Vepaar, which is formerly known as Wattash, using Vepaar Free, Basic, Pro, and Agency? Well, in this video, if that's why you are here, I will explain in details the main difference between using the free version, the basic plan, the pro and the agency plan of Wattash. Let's get started. If you go to vepaar.com and you get to see the section of the pricing, which is here. So now this is what is going to come up for you. Now these are the billing section, as we all know. So if you take a look closely, you see the first section there. There is one that is always unlimited, which is which the price is around $30, and the pro version here, which is kind of also still limited, is around $15. The basic, which is almost any like the same thing, that is very close to free. I said it's close to free because now let's see, for example, if you want to use the quick reply template, you have a ability to make 10 quick replies. If you don't know what quick replies is, I suggest you watch my other videos. It's not that hard. It's something you can see under your CRM here. So let's imagine, okay, this is one of polls. This is for quick replies. So now it's a message you've already composed. So immediately one person message you, you just come here and you select it, and it's going to be automatically sent to that person. So you can only make 10 quick replies. I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm trying to say. So now, but for the one that is kind of very cheap, which is around $5, so it's just 15, just the 5 different, so it's not that much. And also the quick reply you can use per day is just 20, and this is 50. I think this is much. So if you use it 20 times, and that's all, so you can't use it any longer that day. But something like the agency or the pro plan, I think it's okay. So if you have enough users on your database, like okay, your WhatsApp number, maybe you are a WhatsApp TV or something, so in order to elevate or maximize and speed up your business, you have to get something like this, which is around the pro. So the pro is going to make sense for you if you can't afford the agency. And also I think there is 16% off using all this if you pay annually. So if you just pay for the $50, I think it's okay. So this is times 10, so they took off the 2 months, so I think it's okay this way. So there are many things such as the asset library. Remember, your asset library is just 20 megabytes, which means if you start uploading pictures, if you start uploading different things, you only have 20 megabytes. So that's what you have. And the mini one, which is the lowest plan, is just 50 megabytes. The pro plan is 100 meg, and the agency plan is 1 gig. So for the sake of this video, I have to get the agency plan. I have the agency plan here in my own real account. I have the agency plan. So how can you know if you are using the plan? So when you get to your profile here, when you log into the Vipa backend, I don't know which is correct. You guys can correct me in the comment section below. So is it Vepaar? Is it Vipa or Vepaar? I don't know. Is it Vipa or Vepaar? So let's see how that goes, guys. So now you will see it here that you have agency monthly plan. You understand? So but here, let me show you the free plan. So it says there that you have a free plan and you can save some money. So as you can see, it's kind of easy to really know. Now, based on the difference of what we are discussing here, which means I have unlimited and I have access to everything, response, exporting my results, different things, product variants, different features, which I think they just add a little function here on the product variant, and it's only for premium users, so which is going to allow you to put in the X size and all. So this is all the new features they just added. It's called a product variant function. Your user can select if they want a small version of a cloth or a t-shirt, or let me say, okay, a pizza. If you want to order a pizza, I want just small pizza, I want the regular size of a pizza. So now these features give them the access to select. You can select easily. So it's a new update that they just do. So now if you are using the free version of Vipa, it's not going to have the same result with you. So you won't have that same result. You won't be able to do the product variants because it's just predefined. And here I think users with the paid version have the access to that. So many things, you can use multi-language, and also you can export your results. So let's imagine let's go to this area, and let's see, okay, maybe my contact, and let's export. So I can generate files and it's going to be generated. But here, if I try to do the same thing under contacts and I try to export, you see, so the pro features is only if you are using minimum of the pro features you can do that. Even if you are using the basic features, you won't be able to have such access. Many things are here, but I believe the free features, what do you think, guys? The free features, I think it's okay for most people, and they can manually do some other things by themselves since they have their store and the pricing, everything is there live. Understand? So most users don't really need, they don't see the need of having the pro version, but that's the mistake they do. Immediately start using this, is going to make your work fast. But the early beta access, which is for new people, if you are on agency, if you are using agency or the pro features, if a new features come out, you'll be the first person to easily use it. A lot of people are out there suggesting different things for these guys to work on. So that's the specific reason why you should go to the basic, because basic, pro or agency, I mean. So because if they are adding any features, it's going to be for the paid users. I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you want to be forever free, you can stay there. But if a tool is working for you, I suggest you just move to the pro version of it. So to make that easy for you, I put a link in the description for you guys. So if you want to use the Vipa free, you can just click the link, and you can sign up for free, or you go for the basic plan. But if you don't understand how to use it very well, I have a complete recorded over 1 hour tutorial that I explain how I use it, everything, how I use everything. So if you still need question, or if you there is something that is baffling you, or you don't really understand how it works, you can message me. People do message me a lot on this platform, so, and I do respond to what they need. I explain and I teach. I even record some tutorials from some guys just to explain. So if you have any question on how to get this done, it's very easy. I will be there for you. So I suggest you use the pro version, which is still minimal. And if you are in Nigeria, the $15 is just times 450 or times 400. So that shouldn't be much to upgrade your business. I think I tried enough to convince you that the pro version or the agency version, if you have tons of users, you can go for the agency and you know that it's working for you. So the same features, the same things, the same thing we are seeing here, the same thing you are going to see if you are using the mobile application. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel, because I do teach different things about different multiple applications that you can apply to your business. I do teach how to design websites. So if you are coming up with your brand and you are still thinking of how to do it, I do record different tutorials. So it's okay for you to subscribe to my channel, because many things are out there that I do teach for free. How to design a website. Imagine you can design your website yourself, how to buy the host, the domain, and all. So I suggest you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Turn on the bell icon so that you can easily know when I drop more new videos, guys.